Hello friends, welcome back to eGuru Learning. I am Sumit Mehta and in this lecture we will see exercise 1.2 of real numbers, class 10th. Okay, so let's start with question number 1. In this we need to express each number as a product of its prime factors. हमें क्या करना है, हर नंबर को उसके प्राइम फैक्टर्स की प्रोडक्ट में कन्वर्ट करके देना है और एक्सप्रेस करना है. सो फर्स्ट लेट अस सी व्हाट आर प्राइम नंबर्स. पहले देख लेते हैं कि प्राइम नंबर होते क्या. सो अ प्राइम नंबर इज ए होल नंबर. आई होप आप सबको होल नंबर पता होंगे. अ प्राइम नंबर इज ए होल नंबर greater than 1 and whose factors are, जिसके फैक्टर्स क्या होते हैं, 1 एंड इटसेल्फ. तो उसके दो ही फैक्टर होते हैं कि वो नंबर इटसेल्फ और 1. ओके, सो अब आपको आई थिंक प्राइम नंबर क्लियर होंगे. प्राइम नंबर्स फॉर एग्जांपल 2, 3, 5 and 7, so on, 11, 13, 17, 19, like this. So all these numbers are divisible by 1 and the number itself. Okay, so these are called prime numbers. Now let's move to part number 1. We need to express 140 as product of prime factors. So what we will do is, I will divide 140 from the smallest number which are greater than 1. So to get, let's divide it by 2 first. So this is 70. Again from 2, this is 35. From, no, it will not divisible by 3, then let's divide it by 5. So this is 7. Now the last is 7. 1 the 7. So I can write 140 as 2 into 5 into 7. So this is 2 is 2 times, 5 is 1 time, 7 is 1 time. So these are the product of factors of 140. Now let's move to, this was part 1. Now let's move to part 2. In part 2, I need to express 156 as product of prime factors. So let's take 156 here. 156 को 2 से डिवाइड करते हैं, so this is 78. 78 को फिर से 2 से डिवाइड करते हैं, so this is 39. Again it will be divisible on 3, 13, and 13 is a prime number, so this will be 1. So 156 को हम दोबारा क्या लिख सकते हैं, this is 2 is 2 times, 3 is 1 time, and 13 is also 1 time. Okay, now let's move to part 3. So in part 3, the number is 3825. So this is an odd number, so it will not be divisible by 2. So let's divide this number by 3. So this is 1, 2, 7, 5. So this is again divisible by 3 on 4, 2, 5. Okay. So now let's divide this number by 5. So this is 8, 5. Again by 5 we will get 17, and 17 is a prime number, so this will be divisible by. So 3825 can be rewritten as 3 2 times, product of 5 is again 2 times, and this is 17. So these are all the prime numbers, and we have expressed 3825 as 3 2 टाइम है, 5 भी 2 टाइम है, एंड 17 हमारा 1 टाइम है. नाउ लेट्स मेक सम स्पेस, थोड़ा सा स्पेस बना लेते हैं पार्ट नंबर 4 एंड पार्ट नंबर 5 के लिए. सो लेट्स डू पार्ट नंबर 4, in which we need to express 5005 as product of prime factors. So now first divided by 5. So this is 1001. Now let's divide this number by 7. So this is 1. 3 will be LCM 30. So this is 143. Now let's divide this by 11. So this will be 13. So this is on table of 13, it is 1. So 5005 can be rewritten as 5 one time, 7 again one time, 11 again one time, and 13 again one time. Okay, so this is the prime factors of 5005. Now let's move to part 5th, in which we need to express 7429 as prime factors. Let's erase this. This is 7429. So this number 7429, let's divide this number by 2. It will not be divisible by 2 because it is odd number. For 3, what we need to check is whether the sum of the numbers or sum of the digits of the number should be divisible by 3. So as we can see, 7 plus 4 is 11, 2, 13. 13 plus 9 is 22. So it will also not be divisible by 3. And it is not divisible by 5. It is also not divisible by 7. So as I know, it will first be divisible by 17. So 17 for the 68. So 6 is carry, 62. 17 3 the 15 1. 119. So this is 7. So 437. So now let's check whether this number is divisible by which. 19. It will now be further divisible by 19. 19 to the 38. 5 is carry. So this is 23. So now 23 is also a prime number. So the prime factors of 7429 are 17 into 19 into 23. So with this हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन हो गया है. Now let's quickly move to question number 2. So student, here is question number 2 on our screen, in which we need to find out the LCM and HCF of following pair of integers and verify that whether LCM into HCF is equals to product of two numbers. So the first number is in the first part, this is 26. So we can rewrite this number as 2 into 13 in prime factors and 91 as 7 into 13. So what is LCM? LCM is least power of unique prime factors. Least power of unique prime factors means अब हम 26 में से least power क्या क्या लेंगे दोनों की 2 and 3, 2 and 13 both ले लेंगे, and from 91 we will take 7 only. Why? Because we have already taken 13 from 26. So this will be 182. So this is the LCM of both the numbers. Now let's go to HCF. HCF stands for highest common factor. So thing that is common in both will be the HCF of these two numbers. So the only number which is common is 13. So now we need to check whether HCF into LCM is equal to product of number or not. Product of numbers. So what is our HCF is 13 into 182 should equals 26 into 91. So these both numbers are equal because I can rewrite as 13 and 182 as again 2 into 13 into 7. So 26 is 2 into 13 and 91 is 7 into 13. So you can see all the numbers are same on LHS and RHS. So the product of these will also be same. So with this we can verify whether the product of HCF into LCM is equals to product of the numbers or not. Now let's move to part 2. So the prime factors of 510 is 2 into 3, which is 6, into 5, this is 30. So 30 into 17 is 510. Now let's rewrite the prime factors of 92. So this is 2 into 2 again. So this is 4. So this is 23 for the 92. Now HCF, which is common in both. So what is common in both? Only the number 2. And LCM is the least power of unique prime factors. So from first, the least power of unique prime factors are these, and from second we have already taken one of 2, and we need to take one more 2 again, and 23. So this is the LCM. Okay, so if we multiply this, we'll get the LCM of the numbers. Now what we need to verify is whether LCM into HCF is product of the numbers or not. So HCF into LCM is product of numbers. So what you need to do is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 7 into again 2 into 23, which is equals to 510 into 92. Okay, now let's move to part 3. Now let's do part 3. We need to find out the LCM and HCF of 336 and 54. First, we'll solve 336. So 336 can be expressed as 2 into 2. This is 4 into 2. This is 8. For the 32, 16. This is again 16. To the 32 and 1, 21. This is 3 into 7. So this is 2 power 4. 16 into 3 into 21. So this is 336, or this 21 should be rewritten as 3 into 7. Now let's do 54. What are the prime factors of 54? So this is 2 into 27. So this is 3 cubed. Now HCF, what are the highest terms which are common in both? So here is 2, 1 2 is common and 1 3 is common. So the HCF of both the numbers is 6, and LCM of the number is 2 power 4 into 3 into 7, and from 54 it will be 2 3 more. So this is 2 power 4 into 3 power 3 into 7 as the LCM. So now you can verify that product of HCF and LCM will always be equals to the product of numbers. So with this our question number 2 completes. Now let's move to question number 3. So students, here is question number 3 on our screen. Question number 3 अब हमारी screen पे है. So the first part is we need to find the HCF and LCM of these three numbers. So let me first express these numbers as product of prime factors. So this is 2 power 2 into 3, and 15 is 3 into 5, and 21 is 3 into 7. So now let's find out what is HCF, which is the highest term common in all these. Okay, so the term that is common in all these is 3 only, जो तीनों terms में आ रहा है. 3 यहाँ पे भी आ रहा है, यहाँ पे भी आ रहा है, और यहाँ पर भी आ रहा है. What is LCM now? LCM is the least power of unique term or the unique factor in each term. Okay, so which is now 2 square into 3 from the first term. 3 is already there in here, so we will take only 5 from the second term, and from the third term we will take only 7. So this is the LCM of these three numbers. So this is 4 into 3 into 5 into 7. So this is 4 into 3, 12, 5 the 60, 7 the 420. Now let's move to part 2. So part 2 is three numbers are 17, 23 and 29. So 17 is already a prime number, so we can express this as 1 into 17. 23 is also again prime, so this is 1 into 23. 29 is again a prime number, so we can write it down as product of prime factors as 1 into 29. So the HCF is only 1, and LCM will be 17 into 21 into 23. 17 into 23 into 29. Okay, so this will be 17 into 23 and into 29 will be 11339. So the LCM is 11,339. Now let's move to part 3. Part 3 में क्या है? The numbers are 8, which is 2 into 2 into 2, or you can rewrite as 2 power 3. 9 is 3 into 3, which is 3 power 2, and 25 is 5 into 5, which is 5 square. So HCF of all these, there is no term common in all the numbers, so the HCF will be 1. And LCM क्या हो जाएगा अब इसका? This is 8 into 9 into 25. So 25 into 8 is 200 into 9 is 1800. Okay, so with this our question number 3 completes. Now let's move to question number 4. So student, here is question number 4 on our screen, in which we are given that HCF of 306 and 657 is 9, and we need to find the LCM of both the numbers. So as we know that HCF into LCM of two numbers is equals to product of numbers. So this is HCF, we are given 9. Let's assume for now the LCM is X, and the product of number is 306 into 657. And from here we need to find out the value of X. So this is 306 into 657 by 9. So after solving this, we will get this number as 22338. X is equals to 22338, means the LCM of both the numbers is 22338 or 22,338. Now let's do question number 5. So student, here is question number 5 on our screen, in which we need to check whether 6 raised to power n can end with digit 0 for any natural number n. So n की कोई भी वैल्यू हो सकती है. We need to check whether 6 raised to power n is divisible by 10 or not. तो पहले हम चेक करते हैं किसी भी नंबर का 10 से डिविजिबल होने का क्या क्राइटेरिया रहता है. So for a number to be divisible by 10, number should be divisible by 2 and 5 both. अगर किसी नंबर को 10 से डिविजिबल होना है, दैट मीन्स उस नंबर को 2 और 5 से भी डिविजिबल होना पड़ेगा. बट 6 रेज टू पावर n जो है, वी कैन रीराइट दिस एज 2 into 3 रेज टू पावर n. So there is no term of 5 in 2 into 3 raised to power n. So 2 into 3 raised to power n में अगर कोई भी 5 की टर्म नहीं है तो ये नंबर 2 into 5 से तो डिविजिबल हो ही नहीं सकता. Hence we can say hence we can say 6 raised to power n cannot or can't be end with 0, और या तो ये 0 से डिविजिबल भी नहीं होगा. ओके, आई होप आप सबको क्वेश्चन समझ आया होगा. अगर आपको फिर भी किसी क्वेश्चन में कोई टाइप का डाउट आ रहा है देन प्लीज डू कमेंट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. आई विल रिप्लाई टू योर कमेंट ऑन देयर. ओके, नाउ लेट्स मूव टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. So student, here is question number 6 on our screen, in which we need to check, explain why this number and this number are composite numbers. तो प्राइम नंबर तो हमने पढ़ लिए हैं. So the numbers are of two types. One are whole number means prime numbers and composite numbers. So composite number कौन से नंबर होते हैं? Composite numbers, the numbers or the whole numbers which have the factors which have factors except 1 and number itself, जिनके पास और भी फैक्टर्स होते हैं 1 और नंबर itself के अलावा. So let's check whether this number has factors itself. Factors have 1 और itself के अलावा इनके पास और भी फैक्टर हैं क्या नहीं है. ओके, प्राइम फैक्टर्स. So this is 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13. तो दोनों नंबर्स में से हम 13 कॉमन ले लेते हैं. So this is 7 into 11 into 1 plus 1. So this is 13. 7 into 11 is 77 into 1, 77 plus 1 is 78. So now I can rewrite this 78 as 13 into 13 into 6. So now the factors of this number are changed from 7, 11, 13 to 13, 13, 6. So now hence this is called composite नंबर. अब हम इस नंबर को कंपोजिट नंबर बोल सकते हैं क्योंकि इसके जो फैक्टर्स हैं 1 और नंबर इटसेल्फ के अलावा इसके पास और भी फैक्टर्स हैं. ओके, नाउ लेट्स चेक फॉर 7, 6, 5 दिस टर्म. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 into 1 प्लस नंबर 5. तो हम दोनों में से क्या करते हैं, 5 कॉमन ले लेते हैं. सो दिस इज 7 into 6 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 1. So this is 5 into 7, 6 the 42 into 24 plus 1. So this is 1008 plus 1. This is 5 into 1009. तो अब ये नंबर भी क्या हो गया है, 1009 जो है ये एक प्राइम नंबर है. तो अब हमने इसको प्राइम नंबर्स की टर्म में एक्सप्रेस कर लिया है, दूसरे प्राइम नंबर्स की टर्म में. सो नाउ दिस इज आल्सो कॉल्ड एज कंपोजिट नंबर. तो कंपोजिट नंबर कौन से नंबर होते हैं बच्चों, जिनके पास फैक्टर्स 1 और नंबर इटसेल्फ के अलावा और भी फैक्टर्स होते हैं जिन नंबर्स के. ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. सो स्टूडेंट, हियर इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 ऑन आवर स्क्रीन. अब क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 क्या बोल रहा है, देयर इज ए सर्कुलर पाथ अराउंड ए स्पोर्ट्स फील्ड. स्पोर्ट्स फील्ड के अराउंड एक सर्कुलर पाथ. लेट्स सपोज दिस इज द सर्कुलर पाथ. सोनिया टेक 18 मिनट्स टू ड्राइव 1 राउंड ऑफ द फील्ड. अब सोनिया जो है 18 मिनट्स लेती है इस पाथ का एक राउंड लगाने में. ओके, वाइल रवि टेक्स 12 मिनट्स. सो ऑब्वियसली रवि की स्पीड जो है सोनिया से ज़्यादा है. सपोज दे बोथ स्टार्ट एट द सेम पॉइंट एंड द सेम टाइम एंड दे गो इन द same direction. Suppose S stands for Sonia and R stands for Ravi. तो ये let's suppose they are going in clockwise direction. तो अब ये जहाँ पे वापस मिलेंगे, so it will be the starting point. बीच में तो क्या मिलेंगे नहीं, because the speed of Ravi is greater than speed of Sonia. So after how many minutes will they meet again at the starting point? So अब हमें चेक करना है कि कितने टाइम के बाद स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट पे फिर से मिलेंगे. तो स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट पे कैसे मिलेंगे? तो अब हम इन दोनों नंबर्स का हमें क्या करना है, एलसीएम फाइंड आउट करना है 18 एंड 12 का. सो एलसीएम ऑफ 18, तो पहले एलसीएम निकालने के लिए क्या करते हैं, हम प्राइम फैक्टर्स में बना लेते हैं. सो दिस इज 2 इंटू 3 इंटू 3, और इट कैन बी राइट as 2 power 1 and 3 power 2, and 12 as this is 2 power 2 into 3. So the LCM of both number 12 and 18 is, this is 2 power 2 and 3 power 2. So this is 4 into 9, this is 36 minutes. So after 36 minutes, Sonia and Ravi will meet again at the starting point. So you need to write in your exam that after 36 minutes they will meet again at the starting point. So with this our exercise 1.2 complete हो जाती है, and in the next video we will see exercise 1.3. And students, if you like the video, do subscribe the channel. Thank you. Happy learning.